What's going on, guys? I'm Mike and this is all about pressure washing. And first I want to thank you for watching the channel. I'm so excited to let you all in on something that my team has been working on for over 12 months now. And as cliche as it sounds, I genuinely believe that this is a game changer. Before I tell you what it is, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, but wait until the end to leave a comment and tell me what you think about what I'm about to tell you. So, like I said, we've been working on something pretty big and pretty exciting. For years, I've seen videos with the chemical lineups from different guys from around the country. And trust me, there are a ton of great products, tons of great information out there to choose from. Some are great, some are not so great. And really, unless you go out and buy them all and try them all, you'll never truly know for yourself, and that can get both costly and time consuming. And honestly, if you think about it, with the exception of just a few percentage points, sodium hypochlorite is all basically the same, so it really comes down to personal preference on soaps and surfactants. So you found the best surfactant for you. Now what? Having the right equipment and the knowledge on how to use it, yours and surfactant is all well and good if there is stuff to be cleaned. And if there isn't, none of your knowledge, none of your expertise, none of your equipment or your chemical lineup really matter. And that is where our new patent pending product comes into play. We've partnered with a large chemical manufacturer in the US and have been working closely with their chemists who have reverse engineered something that no one thought ever would be possible, or anyone really thought could be or should be reverse engineered. I'm sure you're scratching your head and asking yourself, what's this guy talking about? Reverse engineered? What has he reverse engineered that no one else has thought of or done before? And the answer is simple: mildew. Our revolutionary patent pending product will be debuted later this year and will be available for pre-order right now. There's a link below. Use promo code to get a 10% discount. Look, we're all in the pressure washing business, and inherently, when we walk by or drive by dirty buildings, dirty houses, dirty concrete, we think, dang, that really needs to be cleaned. Am I right? I've been in this game for a long time and used to do the same thing, but a few years ago, I stopped looking at the dirty things and started focusing, almost obsessing about the clean buildings, the clean houses, and the clean concrete. I didn't like clean. I wanted them to be dirty. No, I needed them to be dirty so those people would call us. And that's when it hit me, the Mildew Maker 4000. So what is it? First, you need to understand what mildew is. Mildew and molds are fungi, simple microscopic organisms that thrive anywhere there's a moist environment. It is their ability to destroy organic materials, however, that makes mold a problem for people, but a great thing if you're in the mildew removal business. Mildew, which is the early stage of mold, grows in colonies and can start to grow and spread on a damp surface within 24 to 48 hours. They reproduce by spores, tiny little lightweight seeds that travel through the air. Mold digests organic material, eventually destroying the material they grow on, and then they spread. So we've taken what Mother Nature has given us and encapsulated the key components which allow mildew to grow and thrive into a compact delivery capsule. Simply load and shoot and let Mother Nature do the rest. Our initial tests have shown that our patent pending formulation expedites the mildew spread by 25% in half the time. Check out these before and after pictures and see for yourself. The results are absolutely amazing. If you're tired of passing out flyers, mailing postcards, spending money on Google ads and Facebook ads with a lower ROI than you'd like, we have the solution right here. The process really couldn't be more simple. Step one, all you do is load your applicator with the Mildew Maker 4000 pods. Hop in your vehicle, pick a nice neighborhood, start driving, and start shooting. You might be asking yourself, Mike, is this even safe? And the answer is yes. We've developed an advanced delivery system which guarantees zero damage to the property during the application process. It's a clear liquid which will go unnoticed, and the delivery pod is biodegradable. It's safe, effective, good for the environment, and I guarantee results. Step two, depending on the temperature and humidity of your area, you'll typically need to allow a 2 to 3 day dwell time for the best results. Then follow up with whatever marketing method works best in your area. Direct mail, postcards, flyers, door hangers, even the next door websites for your chosen neighborhood have been found to work best as they directly target your new customers. Maybe throw some bandit signs up out at the front of the neighborhoods to really drive home your marketing message and increase brand awareness. During the early stages of testing, our team doubled down with the old 5 around at every house we washed, increasing profits and our customer base in just a few seconds. Just hit them with a Mildew Maker 4000, then drop the 5 postcards. And finally, step 3, wait for that phone to ring. It's that easy. I hope you guys are excited as I am about this new product. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates on the Mildew Maker 4000. And as always, have a great day.